Hello YouTube, it's Justin again. Just wanted to do a quick video. I did a video a while back on cryptocurrency, what value it would have if shit hit the fan. And I had a lot of comments. I had some trolls. What brought the discussion up was I was doing some research on cryptocurrency, and I saw a bunch of people that were invested in cryptocurrency laughing and calling everybody fools that were investing in silver and gold. Now, like I've said before, I would rather invest in silver and lead and gunpowder. This gold's just a little pricey for me when it comes to, if shit were to hit the fan as a bargaining tool. But all these people were just, talking, you're morons, you're idiots, blah, 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 blah. But when I talk about how powerful these big bankers are, and they had absolutely no control over cryptocurrency. So last I had checked, it was trading at, I believe, 19,000, or that was an all-time high, 19,000 a coin per Bitcoin. And the Chicago Board of Exchange decided, okay, well, we're going to put it up on the board, so to speak. It can be traded, which, come to find out, I'm watching this from Pastor Paul, which I knew this was going to happen because the bankers are so powerful, and this was a way to get around the bankers. Well, like I said in my video before, the Illuminati, the New World Order, it's, they are very, very powerful, and they found a way to crash it, so to speak, by putting it up to the stock exchange. And it's now dropped below $10,000 a Bitcoin. Now, I just watched other channels saying, these that promote Bitcoin are saying, oh, this is normal, this just happens, this is happens every year, it falls and blah, blah, blah. Well, it's never been able to be traded, in the stock exchange. So no, this isn't normal. Is it going to rebound? I don't believe so. I'm not an expert. But that's why I was really skeptical, and but the people that were just so absorbed and so obsessed with this Bitcoin are losing their asses. Pardon my French, or my language, not French, but anyways, this right here should be a huge eye opener to everybody how powerful the bankers are. And like I said about Soros, this man, wherever the hell he is now, is so powerful that he could collapse governments just by a simple suggestion. Collapse, industries and, whole governments, their currency, just by a simple letter or a mere suggestion. So it just shows you how powerful these bankers are. They basically rule the world. And if you haven't learned that by now, and you weren't aware of it, I urge you to watch videos on the bankers, the New World Order, globalist agenda, Rothschilds, and see. People think, oh, the president's the most powerful man in the world. No, 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 no. The bankers are. The big bankers. The elite globalists. So, yeah, this is, like I said, for everybody out there that was making fun of people for sticking with their gold and silver, let's, I'm not saying, ha ha, eat your, words at all, by no means. I feel terrible for people that that lose their livelihood, their life savings, but to crash below 10,000 this fast, as soon as they put it up, for trade, that was, and then Pastor Paulie asked this expert, did Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, did they have a say-so in this? And they said no, they didn't. So Chicago Board of Exchange makes the final decision of what can and can't be traded. So anyways, yeah, Bitcoin takes a big kick right between the legs. So for everybody out there that laughed and said that we were crazy because we were skeptical of Bitcoin. Um, I knew it. I had to talk to my brother about it. The bankers would do something. They would find a way to crush the cryptocurrency because they had no control of it. And so, anyways, you see this video, do some more research on it, and I'm glad that Pastor Paul put that up. This is for my other subscribers. Check it out. Just type in Bitcoin crashing, stock market climbing, new records, something like that, and let's do some research. Anyways, fear no man, never fear death. Get right with God. Fight the good fight. Stay locked and loaded. Until next time, stay safe. Later.